What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you the end results of the project LUV-ENDER paint job that I did in my car. But first I need to paint the wheels, and I have them right here. So check them out. I just washed these yesterday, just like the wheels and the tires, gave them a quick wash. But I need to paint the wheels black. So these are 17-inch. These are R99s, I believe, BBS wheels. But they were in color bronze for the last paint job that I had. I always wanted to paint them black, so let me show you guys the paint. So check it out. This is the Rust-Oleum. It's 2X paint and primer. It's high gloss black. So this is the one that I'm going to use. I brought 3 cans of this so that I can paint the wheels. So first thing I need to do is just mask them. Just put some paper or plastic around the tire so I don't get that painted, and mask around the wheel. So so let's go ahead and do that real quick. So I have a roll of paper, and I'm going to use this. Just going to put it on the floor. Tire over it. So from here, all I have to do is just get pieces of tape, stick them as far in the edge of the wheel, and then we'll fold the paper and cover it like that. Pretty simple process. It is a little bit time consuming. You can do this with like playing cards, index cards, or whatever. Just put them all the way around the wheel. But this one works, and I already have everything to do it. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as I am done masking. Alright, so I already did these 3 wheels over here. So I'm going to do the last one on camera just to show you guys the whole process. I'm almost out of this tape, but I have another one right here, and I'm using a jumbo popsicle stick. Seven minutes. That's what it took. Alright, so 7 minutes is what it took from start to finish to mask one. So I spent about a good half an hour minimum. I have the wheels already masked, so I'm going to go ahead and set them up back here one by one. I'm going to paint the back side first, and then I'll flip them over, paint the front side, and then I'll put them just aside so they can begin drying. Okay, so the wheels have been drying for at least 2 hours. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and just remove the paper and install them in the car. So here are the wheels. I think black is gonna go pretty good with the theme that I have going on with the car, purple and black. So let's take them outside and put them on the car. Alright, so here's the car. The only thing is, it is raining today. We don't have a whole lot of sunlight, but you can still see some of the effect of the geisha doll on the paint. The wheels look very nice in my opinion with the car, since I have the black top and black hood right here. So absolutely beautiful. I love it. The effect came out awesome. I put the bottom arrow right here, canards, splitter, so it looks very, very cool with those 6-speed horns. I just installed the push button horn for that, the button. But oh, and I've got that guy in there riding passenger. Check that out. What do you guys think? Leave a comment. You know, the effect, you'll see the glow, like I said, of the geisha doll, but once you get close, you see that shatter effect. And then the purple lavender, that's why I named it LUV-ENDER. But the trunk, I was thinking of painting it black, but you know, I ended up just doing the same color. There's this event. Look at that. Beautiful. Makes for a nice photo right there. Take a screenshot. Thumbnail, right? Alright, but as I was saying, there's going to be an event on the 19th. Saturday, October 19th. Nothing big, it's just an event. I'm gonna go try to get the car ready. I'll go and I'll post about it. But you know, as far as the car, I'll take another video when the sun comes out. That way you guys can see more of the effect. It's still a very nice color, even in the shades like that. Not shades, but like afternoon. Just a beautiful color. And then the wheels, black. I think it matched pretty cool. So. Oh, and those are the arrows from the front. So, pretty cool. Alright guys, well that's going to be it for today's video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more of the car. I'll post another video somewhere around the weekend, and I hope to see you then. So, peace out.